Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm going to show you something a little bit unorthodox today. How to get veggies into your pasta. First thing you want to do is get your veggies, whatever kind of veggies you've got. I'm just using this stuff today. Any type of mixed frozen veggies, you know, the good old classic carrots, peas, corn mixture. That's what I used last time. I mean, it depends how much you're making. Of course, it will be trial and error. I'm going to cook up about 2 cups worth of veggies. Now, of course, this mixture is quite chunky, so it's, you know, approximate. Extremely approximate. I'm going to put a lid on that. Cook it in the microwave until the veggies are really well cooked, so they're nice and super soft. And itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Alright, I'm just going to let those veggies cool down a little bit. In the meantime, I put my flour in a bowl. Use 4 cups of flour. But of course, you add more flour when you're actually shaping the pasta. I'll just leave that there to one side. I'm going to get my stick blender, give these veggies a really thorough whiz up, or you could just use a, you know, normal blender. Into these veggies you sort of want to add something just to make them a little bit more liquid. So you could add a wee bit of water, a little bit of milk. I'm going to add an egg in here, but that's personal preference. Going to make a bit of well in the flour. Chuck that in the middle. Starting from the middle, give it a stir and just slowly start incorporating that flour in. You may need to add more liquid. You need to add a bit of water. Do it. Put some water in there. Right, so there we got your dough ball. Of course, there's little telltale signs of veggies in there. That's fine. So I'm going to get my pasta maker out. I did do a unboxing and review video on this pasta maker I got from Stevens. I think it was a Christmas present a wee while back, so you know, refer back to that if you want to know. But it's been a good wee thing. I think I've had it for a few years now. As with normal pasta, get some water to a rolling boil, put some salt in it, chuck it in the pot. Now, while that's cooking, just as an aside, the sauce I'm making, I didn't actually think of recording this until after I'd made the sauce, sorry. Rest assured, my sauce is infested with veggies. Cans of tomatoes and juice, and chop up whatever you've got in there. I've got some onion, I used some leek and some spinach from the garden. I've got some garlic in there. And I've actually also grated up a couple of radishes and chopped up their leaves and grated up a couple of carrots. Put it all in the sauce, whiz it up, salt and pepper to taste, yummy. Before I dish this up, look at that, you wouldn't know. You can see the odd bit from the odd capsicum and the odd carrot in there, but it just looks like pasta. And taste-wise, it tastes like pasta, it tastes like nothing, you know. Just a quick note, something that can be a bit troublesome, and I actually did it this time in my haste to get dinner on the table, is when you cook the veggies, be sure that they cool down completely before you mix them with the flour, or it can make it a little bit more sort of gluggy than your average pasta.